Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to get the avatar filter on Instagram. And then obviously once you have it on Instagram, you're able to make a video of yourself with it and then save it and obviously post it onto TikTok or any other social media platform that you're looking to put it on. Anyhow, how to get this filter on Instagram, all you have to do is go over to Instagram, go to your Discover page, go to the top search bar, and you just want to search for this account called I am Russ L Me. So I am Russ L Me. And then you guys can just go ahead and just click on this account. Once you're on the account, you can go ahead and go to the camera filters here, scroll down, and you will see beside the avatar 2 option right here, the filter is right here. All you do at this point is you can either try it out right here or you can download it to your saved filters, and then you can go ahead and use it later. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you how to get the avatar filter on Instagram. If this was helpful, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.